Welcome to Run Run Deals, you guys. I found this adorable fairy potions on Amazon the other day. This is a DIY kit. We're going to make our own fairy potions. Look at this. This is great just to have a girl's day, great for birthday, Christmas, whatever. Here is the glitter. Of course, you need so much glitter.
So much glitter.
You can't have fairy potions without glitter.
And there's also these thingies.
These are the lids that go on the top. I have no idea what these are for, but we'll find that out soon. Maybe to mix your potions.
And this is different directions how you can do it, or you can know how you want to.
Yeah, look at this, you guys. This has different potions already out for you, like a dream dust,
yes,
or lucky potion, or the smart potion, happy potion.
And we can make our own.
Right? Or you can just make up your own, whatever you would like. It comes with the stickers. Already some are printed, but it has some open, so you can write whatever you would like to on it.
And there's some stuff.
And check out this adorable box. Let's see what's inside here. This comes with
some stickers.
Yeah, look. This is the stickers. These aren't stickers. These are the things that you put into your potion. It's just part of the magic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa. And these are some dye.
Some dye. Here's some more glittery things.
And this is to like put it in there for you to know how much you have.
To make it so the glitter goes in easier so you don't dump it everywhere. You guys, this is so cool. We're ready. Are you girls ready to make some fairy potions?
Yes, we are.